In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. This skill is incredibly useful when you're working on collaborative projects or maintaining spreadsheets with sensitive data, and you want to ensure certain information remains unchanged. Let's dive straight into the step-by-step process and make sure those cells are secured. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets by signing into your Google account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Google Sheets homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your saved spreadsheets. Click on the spreadsheet where you want to lock cells. If it's a new project, you can even create a fresh spreadsheet for this demonstration. Once you've opened your spreadsheet, identify the specific cells you want to lock. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over these cells. Simply click on the first cell and drag your cursor to the last cell in the range you want to select. If you're selecting multiple non-adjacent ranges, you can do so by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking. Now that you have your desired cells selected, go to the top menu bar in your Google Sheets interface. Look for the Data tab, which is usually located near the right side of the toolbar. Click on it, and this will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. What you're interested in here is the Protect Sheets and Ranges option. Select it, and a pane will appear on the right side of your screen. In this pane, you'll find your selected ranges. To proceed with locking them, you'll need to click on Set Permissions. This button allows you to specify who can edit these cells. It's where the locking process becomes functional, effectively restricting specific users from making alterations. You have options here. For instance, you can allow only yourself or a small team of trusted collaborators to make changes, while others can only view the data. Once you've configured these permissions to your liking, finalize your settings by clicking Done. This action will apply your changes, successfully locking the selected cells in your spreadsheet. It's a simple but powerful tool at your disposal, particularly in collaborative settings where data integrity is paramount. And there you have it. You now know how to lock cells in Google Sheets, helping you safeguard important data effortlessly. This process not only enhances the security of your information, but also facilitates smoother collaboration by preventing unintentional edits. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out other videos for more useful tips and tricks.